Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. So we're going to be using this ingredient to make an amazing deep conditioning, deep cleansing shampoo. Okay, if it's what you're interested in, please stick around and watch the video to the end. So here is my fenugreek seed and my lavender. Okay, I will be using fenugreek seed for these 2 months of challenge I am on my mini braid 2 month challenge. So you need a clean jar, and I'm going to be taking lavender. I'm using a half teaspoon of lavender, and I'm also going to be adding my fenugreek seed as well. I'll be putting the benefits of lavender and fenugreek seed on this cream. Okay, guys. So this is going to help you to promote your hair growth. It's going to deep clean, deep nourish your scalp. Okay, so in case you have build up and the rest, this is going to help you out. So I'm going to be adding two and a half, like 2 teaspoon of this fenugreek seed. Okay, so after this, I will make sure I mix everything together before we move to the next step, which is pouring hot water and leave it for 8 hours. So here I have my black soap. This is called Dudu Oshun black soap. Okay, this is a very amazing soap. If you have Ghana black soap, you can use it, but this one is Nigerian made. Okay, so I don't have Ghana black soap, but if you have Ghana black soap, you can use that as well. So these are the ingredients in the Dudu Oshun. It has palm kernel, it has shea butter, it has a lot of amazing things for your hair growth. Okay, this is really good. I have used only this dudu washu to wash my hair before. My hair was so, the coils, it defined my coils, like my coils was popping. Okay, so this is what I used to use as my black soap base. Okay, so this is hot. It looks like I am going to cut it in pieces, and after this I'll be adding my other ingredient. If you watch this extent, please do well to subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. So I'm using green tea with lemongrass. If you have only the green tea, you can use that. I have done research that lemongrass also help to grow hair. So this is my black tea, which I'm using Lipton. Okay, so the combination of green tea, the combination of black tea for hair loss. If you are suffering from hair loss, use green tea, black tea. It's going to help you to stop your hair loss. Okay, so that is why I am doing putting all these spices together, because I know they are very beneficial for my hair. It's going to help me to stop my hair loss. It's going to help me to promote my hair growth. So I'm going to allow this to infuse for another 8 hours. So I time the um two ingredients together so that they'll infuse together for like 8 hours. Then I'll come back and show you guys how I'll be mixing everything together. So guys, this is after 8 hours. I am going to sieve it. See, it's not all the whole dudu should have melted. No matter, I was turning it occasionally. Okay, so off camera I was turning it occasionally to make sure that all of them melted, but it's not all that melted, and it's already 8 hours. So I have strained that one out, and this is my 8 hours of infusing my fenugreek seed and lavender. So I'm going to also add it together with my dudu or shoe water and the black tea and the green tea. Okay, so I'm going to strain these, and I'll mix everything together. Then I'll also be adding my oil, my essential oil as well, just to give it that moisture more. So I'll be using sweet almond oil. Okay, you can use any oil of your choosing. So I chose sweet almond oil. You can use castor oil. You can use any oil entirely. Okay, guys. So I just put a teaspoon of that, and I'll mix everything together. After I mix it together, I'll pour it in my storage container. So guys, this is not going to spoil. You don't need to put preservative inside because it's not going to spoil. So if you watch this extent, thank you so much for watching. Please do well to subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. This is so foamy. It's so the foam. You see it because I'm going to show you guys how I use it to wash my hair on my braids. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you try this recipe. So guys, I'm done with week one of using fenugreek seed to spray on my hair. So I want to wash my hair, remove every oils, every dirt on my hair. Even if my hair is not dirty, but the oils, the build up and everything, I want to wash it out so I can start a new week. So I'm going to be using this my shampoo to do that. So first of all, I pour water on my hair. Then after pouring water on my hair, I'll apply the shampoo. The shampoo was more than the first bottle I showed. So this is the remaining small one. It's really foamy. So I'm going to be washing my hair like twice, okay, to make sure I remove every dirt, every oil, not dirt, oil, mostly oil on my hair build up. So I'm going to wash. If you don't have braids, if your hair is just all together, you can use your massager to massage your scalp, okay, but because my hair was on braids, I didn't want to do more of massaging my scalp, so I used mostly my hand. After I did that first experiment that you guys just saw, I used my hand and kept on washing my hair because I don't want my braids to get super old on time. So please be cautious of your eyes because this when you enter inside your eye, it's peppery. Okay. So when you enter your eye, please wash your eyes. All right. So I'm just showing you guys how I wash my braids and I'll rinse it out and I'll show you guys the after result. So I wash this hair like twice because of the build up on my hair. You know, I'm using grease, oil, everything. It tends to have build up. So guys, this is going to help you to clean your scalp from any build-up. It's going to help you to do that, okay? Why I wash my braids every week is because of build-up. You know, I use this thing, what they call it, Chamber 2000 is a hair grease. So hair grease is kind of like it's a lot of moisturizer. So when you apply it on your hair, it's kind of it's like a build up, something like that. When you wash your hair the first time, you will see a lot of oils. Then you wash the second one, you see it will clear. So this is my hair after wash. All right, it's gonna help you to remove any build up you have in your hair. It's gonna help you to do that. And I'm going to be using my fiber towel to dry my hair, okay. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment, and leave um your review. Are you going to try this shampoo? Is really amazing and it's easy to make, so very effective too as well in terms of build up. So besties, I'll catch you guys later. I washed my hair 2 times, okay? So this is the look of washing my hair 2 times. So I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye. I just showered. Yeah, I just showered.